In this video, we will talk about the future of blockchain technology in 2022. So make sure to watch the full video. Hi guys, welcome to a new video from RS Technology. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to our channel. At the end of 2021, the global cryptocurrency market cap reached $3 trillion, an all-time high. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum are underpinned by blockchain technology. The adoption of blockchain and the technology and products it supports will continue to impact business operations dramatically. But blockchain technology is much more than a system for securely transferring cryptocurrencies. Outside of finance, it can be used in applications including healthcare, insurance, voting, welfare benefits, gambling, and artist royalties. With the technology already impacting business and society on many levels, the global economy is preparing for the blockchain revolution. 1. How blockchain technology can disrupt financial services. One area predicted to continue evolving with blockchain technology is cross-border payments. These recent developments are leading transformation on this front. IBM Blockchain WorldWire. This blockchain-enabled conduit used the Stellar protocol and allowed for banks to clear and settle cross-border payments almost immediately. The WorldWire API integrated into banks' payment systems, with WorldWire then converting the digital asset into currency, completing the transaction. In light of the COVID-19 pandemic, IBM ceased running the network and made the code open source, inviting the development community to build on their learnings. Paystack. Paystack creates payment infrastructures and connects payment processors with each other with the goal of making it quicker and easier to facilitate online payments. In October 2020, financial services company Stripe acquired Paystack for $200 million. The service expanded to South Africa in May 2021, by which point it was powering 50% of online payments in Nigeria, where it was founded. And in September, it became the first Nigerian payment gateway to become an Apple Pay partner, opening it up to 380 million users across 60 countries. Ripple and Payable. San Francisco-based software vendor Ripple has been specializing in global real-time payments based on blockchain technology since 2014. They recently partnered with Dubai-based technology company Payable, which has created a blockchain-based platform offering non-bank financial services via smartphone. Because the platform doesn't require the pre-funding needed in traditional cross-border payments, where additional funds must be kept in the user's bank account. This should help increase the liquidity of companies that use it. AZA Finance. This company uses blockchain technology for small businesses to send and collect payments to and from Africa. By converting the relevant fiat currencies into stablecoins rather than US dollars when trading, AZA says it can reduce reliance on a dollar-dominated system, trade during banking holidays, and increase trade efficiency. Blockchain technology has applications outside of payments too. Below are additional examples of fintech innovations using blockchain. Securrency. This is a trading platform for cryptocurrencies and any kind of asset. It is exchanged through securrency tokens, which allows cryptos to be traded outside of their dedicated exchanges. Abra. This global app and cryptocurrency wallet allows you to buy, invest, and store up to 100 cryptocurrencies. The company recently raised $55 million in funding to help develop a comprehensive product range to help people manage their money. Numerai. This company aims to build an open-source hedge fund by sending encrypted datasets to thousands of decentralized quantitative analysts who build predictive models. The best are rewarded with Numerai's token and used to create a trading meta model. Bloom. This startup is applying blockchain to credit scoring by building a protocol that manages risk, identity, and credit scoring. If you want to learn more about cryptocurrencies, UCT offers the Blockchain and Digital Currency, the Future of Money online short course. This 6-week program reveals how crypto assets are set to shape the future of the financial industry, while imparting a practical working knowledge of blockchain and cryptocurrency assets. Also focusing on cryptocurrencies is the SDA Bocconi School of Management's Bitcoin and Blockchain program. This 5-week online course explores the technical pillars that underpin these technologies and is ideally suited to individuals driven to remain relevant by upskilling to address this new business need. 2. Adopting blockchain technology in business. Blockchain technology has huge implications for business, with the main drivers for adoption being higher revenue, lower costs, and more efficient use of time. Examples of how blockchain is being adopted by corporate companies include Consensus Quorum. Originally developed by J.P. Morgan, Quorum is an enterprise-grade service that helps companies grow and manage large-scale blockchain networks. LVMH. The luxury goods company is tracking goods and fighting counterfeiting through blockchain. It has registered more than 10 million products on a platform created in conjunction with Prat and Cartier. Media Chain. This blockchain database was acquired by Spotify to manage copyrights and royalty payments and resolve rights holder issues. 3. Application of blockchain in the legal field. In law, blockchain technology can be used to create smart contracts, as well as validate ownership documents, such as title deeds. If used to validate, authenticate, and secure courtroom evidence, blockchain could improve efficiency in the criminal justice system. Smart contracts are digital contracts that uphold the nature of a legal contract. The terms of the contract are written in code and automatically executed when the agreed conditions have been met, without the need for any involvement or intermediary. When this happens, the blockchain is updated, and only parties with permissions can see the results. Some states in the U.S. have begun to permit the use of smart contracts in certain legal contexts. These include Arizona, where parties can create enforceable legal agreements through smart contracts, in California, where marriage licenses can be issued via blockchain. 4. The use of blockchain in real estate. Real estate transactions are usually expensive, paperwork-heavy, and require the assistance of agents. Blockchain has the potential to ease the process of finding and buying real estate through tokenization, using digital real estate tokens to represent physical assets. 5. Improving logistics and supply chain through blockchain. Supply chains, the links between the creation and distribution of goods, have always been disrupted by innovation. Today's supply chains are extremely complex, threading multiple continents, including huge numbers of invoices and payments, involving myriad entities, and potentially extending over months. Below are some examples of innovative logistics and supply chain-focused blockchain applications. TradeLens, developed by IBM. This blockchain solution for logistics and supply chain provides transparency and improved efficiency through blockchain, offering a holistic view of shipment data and documents. More than half the world's container ships are registered on the platform, and in 2020 it processed 1 billion shipments. Improvements. Consumers are increasingly demanding transparency regarding the products they purchase to ensure the ethical sourcing and production of products. Improvements uses blockchain to prove chain of custody and certification of supply chains. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.